Hello, guys. Good evening. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'll be teaching you how to do basic correction. If you notice, most of you usually jump from basic correction and jump into applying LUTs, which is wrong. Not knowing that the first thing to do, you have to do your basic correction first before going into LUTs. So first of all, you have to go to offset, take this down, reduce lifts, then gamma, raise gamma, then raise gain. So I'm going to do this grading without lots because I noticed that most people, they every grading that they are trying to maybe bring out something nice, they usually add lot into it. But I'm going to show you guys that everything is not about using lots. So the next thing, I go to my contrast, use pivot to balance it. Then load another node. Um, I have to do my color correction, and without white balance, your color correction is not complete. So the next thing I'll do is look for a spot where I can see his face, then select my window, reduce it in a way that it will only highlight just the skin, then highlight, click on highlights. As you can see, you go to vector scope, which is this skin line. In case you're just starting up your own DaVinci, like you just installed it, you can go to settings and highlight shows times 2 zoom and show skin tone indicator. Then you see this line is in between yellow and red. So skin tone, which is orange, is usually in between yellow and red. So that was why they kind of inserted this line to make it easier, to give you an easy workflow. So I have to push I have to push this details you're seeing here represents my skin. So as you can see, I have to push it so that it will be aligned with this line. Then once I'm done, I reset all. So let me reduce the blue. Let me reduce the temperature. I'm going to do this grading without lots. And you see how beautiful it will come out. So see the temperature, the white balance I did. If you notice, the skin is kind of greenish, but after balancing it, I think that the color is coming alive and the white is becoming whiter. So next thing is my I've done my contrast. Okay, I've not done my contrast. I've done my contrast. I've done my color temperature. So the next thing is using doing my offsets. I use this in balancing, bringing out the image, then lift, then increase gamma, then increase gain. So see before and after of what I just did. See the before and after. This is just basic correction. So next thing is insert this, then select my skin, select the skin. You have to do it, tweak it till you get just the skin. You can also move this to adjust. Then the noise, blur reduce, then add serial, then add layer, then link these two. I want to separate the background from the image. So this particular one now is for the skin tone, the skin and the skin tone. Then increase shadow a bit. Look at the skin. Can you see the shadow? Then this for the background. Something like so. This is it. This is it. This is my before and after. Before, this is just basic grading. Before and after, without using LUTs. Before and after. So if you enjoyed this video, do well to subscribe, like and share. I'm going to be dropping another video. I'm going to be doing an advanced grading. But first of all, I would like to appreciate everyone for staying up to this time. And as you can see, we did a lot of transformation here just with color correction, correcting just the color. So the next video I'll be dropping, stay tuned to watch. And you can also check more of some of our videos. Look at the link below. Thank you for coming.